Yeah, and during the winter solstice, 冬至.
冬至.
Yeah, it means the winter is really coming.
Oh.
Yeah, in the lunar calendar. So at that date, like Taiwanese people, we will go to Tangyuan Dian.
So you eat tangyuan to get to warm up a bit?
Yeah, like to celebrate the winter, the harvest festival is over. So it start to celebrate New Year's.
Nice.
Yeah.
很期待.
很期待. Let's go.
Let's go. Wow, there's so many options.
Yeah.
What's your 推荐?
They have like a tofu pudding is 豆花.
豆花.
Yeah, and taro bowl is 芋圆.
芋圆.
And red bean soup also very popular.
Okay.
红豆汤.
Let's try more.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah. So now we have like this is red bean soup.
Bean soup.
Yeah, with tangyuan.
Oh, it has tangyuan inside.
Yes, tangyuan and great, right?
Yeah.
And there has like a sesame 芝麻 inside.
哦，芝麻，所以里面是这个。
对，里面是芝麻的馅料。
哦。
对。
这是甜甜的吗？
甜甜的，吃起来 QQ 的。
QQ。
对，你喜欢 QQ？
对，喜欢 QQ。
Yeah。
好。
对。
这是什么？
这个是他们有芋圆。
芋圆。
Taro bowl and 仙草 grass jelly。
哦，仙草 is this 黑色的。对，
黑色的像果冻一样的东西。
这跟珍珠奶茶一样吗？这个珍珠一样。
跟珍珠应该是不一样，对，珍珠是 bubble， 芋头泥，
芋头，
对，芋头 ，taro 芋头，对，
看起来不错，
对 ，and today is winter solstice， 对，冬至哦。
so 冬天开始了吗？
对对对，就 start from today， so that's why Taiwanese people we eat tangyuan in 冬至 to celebrate.
So you celebrate the beginning of winter, and when does winter end?
When does winter end? Maybe 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, 3 months later. Yeah.
3 months. So around March.
Yeah. New season will come. Yeah. Maybe we start from this red bean soup. Yeah.
I'll put it over here. Okay, so how do you eat this? Do I eat the soup first or the
maybe
tangyuan?
soup first. You say you haven't tried red bean soup
No,
before.
I never had red beans before, of course, but I've never had red bean soup.
Wow.
Yes.
Try. Yeah. Oh. And you can take some red beans as well.
I made a mess already. It's really warm, really nice.
Oh.
It's really sweet too. So this is a tangyuan
对
filled with 芝麻。
对，芝麻汤圆。
芝麻汤圆。Okay, once again.
Oh, you eat with one bite?
Is that wrong?
No, I mean, maybe you can eat half bite and see what's the stuff inside.
Oh.
没有
I
关
thought
系
I had to like.
没有关系 Yeah. Yeah,
It's
and
really good though.
what's the flavor inside that 汤圆？
芝麻。
哦，芝麻。哦，芝麻。哦。And they have other like this type of small 汤圆，小汤圆。Yeah, and there's no stuff inside here.
It's pink.
Yeah, pink one there. Yeah, it's strawberry flavor of tangyuan. No, I'm just kidding. That's not strawberry.
I was thinking there's no strawberry flavor.
I'm just kidding.
Not bad.
好吃? Yeah.
Sure.
And especially in this cold winter, cold day, it's great to have a hot bowl of this red bean soup.
Yeah, it's really good to have this to warm up, I guess.
Yeah.
It's extremely good. I love it. I love I love sweet stuff. I love anything sweet. And I also love the baozi with like Hongdou filling.
Oh,
Yeah,
Hongdou
so-
filling, wow. Wow. So, is there any certain type of dessert you will eat in Germany and during winter?
I feel in Germany we don't really have sweet soup like a red bean soup, but we eat a lot of cake in winter and obviously a lot of cake. Like
For example, what kind of cake?
for example the Black Forest cake, Haselnuss-Dangao, I think.
Haselnuss-Dangao.
We call it Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte, and it's I think in Taiwan it also
Yeah,
exists.
it's
I
very
think I saw it
popular,
before.
famous type of German
Yes,
cake.
it's so good. It's just a lot of chocolate, cherries, and whipped cream, and it's everything bad is inside, everything unhealthy, but it's so good.
Oh, wow.
And other than that, we eat a lot of Christmas cookies, and we add a lot of cinnamon, sugar, almonds, anything you can think of.
Wow.
I haven't eaten so many Christmas cookies in Taiwan. I couldn't find them. They're probably at the bakery, but I couldn't find them.
Oh, it's a Christmas.
But
Yeah, probably like, yeah, this is like Taiwanese Christmas
I think so,
dessert.
yeah. It's like a Taiwanese equivalent of Christmas cookies. Yes. It's super good. It's really sweet and warm and perfect for like cold weather. So, do you usually eat this alone?
You mean alone myself?
Like in general, you go with your friends and eat.
Yeah, if I have friends have time, I would. Why?
I don't know. I'm just wondering if you like. At the beginning of the season, do you like meet as a group of friends?
Yeah, but maybe just after work, just only you. You can just. You still want to eat this dessert? You can just come along as well. Yeah. Yeah, 芝麻汤圆 sesame 汤圆 Yeah. Yeah, and inside they have this like black sesame.
Can I see?
Yeah, it's so tasty, so delicious. And a lot of like, I'm not sure other people will do the same things. When I was a child, and my family they cooked sesame tangyuan, I only eat the inside stuff.
Really?
And I don't want to eat outside the onion.
So because inside it's like the most delicious.
Yeah,
right?
with sweet inside, and I only eat all the sesame, and I don't eat outside tangyuan.
So what other fillings are there? We have zhima.
Yeah, we have jima, and maybe you can find peanuts. Yeah, 花生汤圆 as well.
Is there also like chocolate?
Yeah, I haven't seen 巧克力汤圆 before. Yeah.
Oh, haven't you? Or have you?
I haven't. Yeah, but maybe I believe they have. They put a lot of things inside 汤圆. Yeah. 好吃? So like after several months living in Taiwan, do you feel a lot of change about yourself, like personality, or the view you see things?
Let me think about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been in Taiwan 8 months. I think I've adapted to like
Asian culture.
yes, culture. I think like like Germans are very direct. Usually like they usually say their opinions very like clearly and loudly, and sometimes it's a bit woolly mao. I feel like it's not really polite. And when I came to Asia, I kind of had a lot of course, met a lot of Taiwanese people and Asian people, and I kind of adapted, I think, to the way of expressing myself and being
More soft.
yes, more softer and not so direct, so people don't get offended. I try to like be more polite, I guess. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah,
I
and
didn't know that.
I feel like Taiwanese people in general are very friendly and very welcoming, and I feel that has been like one of the like nicest things to be like so welcomed into another culture. a really great experience. Yes, I met so many nice people.
Yeah, Taiwanese people are very friendly.
Yeah, totally. So friendly, so welcoming, and if you get lost, they will immediately help you and help you find the way. And even though people are busy, they will still invite you to stop, and just super friendly and welcoming. Yeah.
Oh, so happy that you have very great experience.
I have a great experience in Taiwan.
Oh.
I think. Also, the food is delicious.
Yeah. Wow. He's so good at doing it. Yes. You say you want to be a journalist, so maybe that's why you...
I have to practice to smile more, because my German face is like this.
Yes. I saw some comments.
Me too.
Yeah, they ask, oh, why this German girl seldom smile? Wow. Wow. So, journalists, you don't need to like face in front of camera, or you want to be a like announcer or something?
More like writing.
More like
I
writing.
don't want to be in front of the camera.
Why? You're beautiful.
Because I have to like... My German face is like this.
Yeah, so cold, so cold.
Yeah, the comments taught me to smile more. And then I write, so it's like, okay. In my inside, I'm always smiling.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're a very funny person. Yeah, actually.
You
I
too.
like fun people. Yeah, actually.
Very funny.
还好，还好。You know, 还好。Yeah. Next time we are going to make a episode. I teach you some like phrases that only Taiwanese people use, like 还好。
还好。
对，随便。
随便，还好。随。
随。
说。Taiwanese is like yes, sweet.
棒。
Oh, but there's like a Taiwanese, and you say soy.
Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. Oh, it's sweet. Yeah, Taiwanese. Yeah.
Sweet. 很屌。很屌。
Oh. Yeah, but it's not polite for women. It's fine, but it's very funny to listen. Yeah, German lady to speak. Yeah, 很屌。
很棒啊。
很棒。No, I think I will cut this. Yeah, for your your elegant 形象。
步调，很棒。